They are panicking because they are being exposed for what they did to you and what they did to others. This person affected you at a time when you were already going through some type of healing, but they didn't care. They wanted to add to your plate. This person is very mean-spirited and very selfish. Because of their jealousy towards you, they decided to spiritually attack you. They decided to try and attack your confidence. They tried to show you up. They tried to compete with you, outdo you. They tried to dim your light. And they became so obsessed with you, and they enjoyed the reaction that you may have gave them. Every time they knew that they triggered you, they would snigger to themselves because they saw you as a threat. Because if you are not a threat, then people wouldn't try and compete with you. And this person knew that they could not compare to you, but it didn't stop them. So now the universe is paying them back in kind. And they are confused. All the protection that they had around them, maybe protection from people, maybe the protection came from manipulating others. So maybe they acted one way towards you and another way when they were around others. And you may have felt that if you said anything, people will not believe you. This person was smart, but not smart enough, because a cycle has closed with the death card. And this person cannot cope with the change that is happening or that will happen. They are forced to go through a transformation, and they have been forced to stop. They took great pleasure in knowing that they were causing you some type of pain. They betrayed you countless times because of their jealousy. They wanted you to be up at night, fretting, worrying, being in a panic. And for some of you, this individual sabotage situation from you. They tried to destiny swap with you. They tried to snatch your blessings. Tried to make your life a living hell because they didn't want to stand beside you. They felt like you were showing them up when all you were doing was just being your true, authentic you. But they couldn't cope. It was a them issue. Now, I'm not saying that we're all perfect, because we all have things that we need to work on. And that's why it's important to do the inner work, the shadow work. And this person does not self-reflect. They didn't take time out to think, why is it I'm always trying to come up against this person that hasn't done anything to me? What is fueling me to do this? No, they didn't have that conversation with themselves, because to have that conversation with themselves will suggest that they are indeed unstable. They are indeed a bully. And this person done the most. They tried to play in your energy, tried to play in the energies of others to sway them away from you, and sat back and watched to see if their plan worked. They may have used spell work to try and separate you from a group of people. They gossip about you. For some of you, this could be a sibling. For others of you, this could be someone that lives in your community. This could be someone at work. They use the art of manipulation. And now people are starting to wake up. Some people are calling this person out. Some people are connecting the dots. People are speaking about this person now. People are waking up to the truth. People are talking about their experiences with this person, or what they have seen that this person has done. It's come to an end and this person is panicking. They thought they would have gotten away with it. All the spell work that they sent out to separate you, to kick you out of a job. All those secrets. That side of themselves that they kept secret is now being exposed trying to be a third party in a situation that did not concern them because they were panicking about your happiness. They were jealous and envious of a connection that they felt that they should be in. And this situation is going to play out by this person seeing you being very abundant, being very happy, looking and feeling unbothered, glowing, because you are going to be pouring into yourself, or you have been pouring into yourself. Not my business is what I'm hearing from for some of you. You know what this person was on. You clocked the play. But Spirit was like, don't stoop down to their level. Shift your focus onto yourself. You've got things to do. Some of you are going to have a glow up. This person's worst fear, they wanted you to feel drained and look drained. They wanted you to give up. But you are on your way to abundance. And this person is on their way to rejection. They wanted you to reject yourself. They wanted others to reject you. Love interest to reject you. Career opportunities to pass you by. Career opportunities that they snatch from you. They wanted you to give up on your hobbies, your passions, your goals. But to see that you're still pouring into your hobbies, passions, and goals will leave this person feeling extremely distressed. They're going to face people pulling back energetically or physically. Some type of offer that they wanted. Some type of commitment that they were in a race to get before you. It's not going to be given. Like I said, their mask has slipped. People are going to be holding back. If this person had a way of getting money out of others, people will stop investing in them. People will start seeing this person as a gold digger. People will hold back emotionally from this person, which is going to bring up this person's fears. Their fears are going to become a reality because they are going to be exposed. They thought that they could hide behind the lies. They thought that they cloaked themselves. Now, that cycle has come to an end. They refuse to do the inner work. They refused to go towards a higher path. They kept playing in your energy and other people's energy. And this person will see you going towards your goals, achieving the unachievable in their view, reaching major milestones and accomplishments, stepping into a new timeline. Meanwhile, they'll be wondering why the plots and schemes that they did in the past don't work anymore. Why aren't they working? Whatever they were investing in the past is not investing in them. And they're going to, they're definitely going to try and resist this karma. But they're going to be met with major blockages. People are awaking to the truth of who this person really is. People are going to start seeing that this individual was causing delays in their life. They tried to cause delays in your life. In your romantic life, in your home life. Please take what resonates. And people are going to start realizing that ever since they've removed themselves from this person, they've been more at peace, they've been happier, and they're going to connect the dots that this person was bringing burdens and upheaval in their life. And the same burdens that they brought into other people's life is going to be on their plate. And they will not be able to cope. Those friends that they may have tried to turn against you, those individuals will be removing themselves from this individual. People are going to start distancing themselves from this person. And this person is going to be forced to realize that people do not want to be associated with people like this. People may tolerate this person, but those connections that they had in the past are going to be no more. This person's a liability, they're a hindrance. This person or these people, whoever they are, they're going to get cut off. Some people may not even tell them why they're cutting them off. People will just distance themselves. People will realize That this person's not all smile and happiness. This person's very sinister. And it's for their best interest to keep well away.